Being in nature makes me feel like in a happy place.
It's very refreshing. If you had like a bad day or a bad morning and you went to go see nature, it feels like everything's gone away and your mind's just on the nature. It makes me feel very calm.
Calm, happy and relaxed.
It makes me feel like being finally free.
Being connected to nature is really important, and it's something that children don't do enough of anymore. I just think children spend too much time indoors, and any excuse and opportunity we can find to bring them outside is really important, especially to places that they haven't been before.
Hawthorn tree can live to around 400 years, but 250 years is typical.
Red kites have the largest wingspan of 175 to 195 centimeters.
Being in nature makes me feel active, energetic.
It makes me feel calm.
It makes me feel really peaceful and it makes my worries go away. I thought the Ridgeway Trail was amazing because we get to see lots of snails.
We saw ladybirds, snails, a bumblebee and lots of flowers.
I like the flowers when they start to bloom and they sometimes change into different colours.